A very good morning to all my dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Today we are going to study computers. In the previous class, we have discussed about the features of the computers like speed, accuracy, versatility, storage, diligence and reliability, and we have also studied about the different parts of the computers. It works on two components. First is hardware and second is software. So now we will move further to the different applications of the computers. It means that where the computers are used, in which fields the computers are used. The computers are being used almost everywhere in our day-to-day life. It means that now we use computers in our routine life also. Some areas where they are widely used are listed below. So first is at home. A computer is used at home by adults and children for different purposes like play games, listen to music and watching movies. Then typing letters, storing addresses and phone numbers. In the previous time, it means in the earlier time when mobile phones were not there, the landlines were there. The person used to remember the mobile numbers of their friends and relatives if they want to make a phone call to them. But now the mobile phones and computers are there, so you can easily save the numbers and addresses of your relatives, friends, other details in your mobile phone or your computers. Therefore, it is said that the human memory is decreased after the invention of these technologies because the person do not need to remember anything. Whatever he wants, he can write and make a note, and he or she can use it later on. Therefore, it is said that computers are widely used to store the information. So, the person do not need to remember anything. The third application where it is used is to draw and paint. It means that the children will enjoy using computers for these fun activities like drawing and painting. Different applications like MS Paint is used to perform the drawing and paint. Now, the fourth one is making cards, play budgets and make expense sheets. Second, search the internet and answer emails, that is electronic mails. For example, the children uses it for study purposes also. If they are facing any difficulty, if they do not know the answer of any of the questions, he can directly search it using the internet, and also he can answer the emails by it if there is an official emails or if there are a study emails or anything which personally they want to share with their friends or office colleagues or their teachers. They can use the email for that. That is also provided using the computer. Computer is having the facility of giving the email. It means of sending and receiving the emails using the internet. Now, gathering the information of any project or report. It means that if the teachers have provided you a project, it means you have to prepare a report or the project on anything. Then a computer is used. It means that using the internet, you can use the computer to search the information. It means you can gather different informations to prepare any project or report. Now, book the e-tickets. It means that electronic tickets and purchase online. It means that Amazon, Flipkart, you must all be familiar with these apps. These are used for purchasing the things online. Sitting at home, you can purchase anything and it will be delivered to you at your home. So, that is also known as a purchasing online. It means online purchase. For that also the computer and the internet is used. And to book e-tickets, for example, first for going anywhere, you have to go to the bus station or railway station to book your tickets. But now, using an internet and the computer, if you are having a laptop or computer at your home and also having the internet connection, then sitting at home, you can book any of the tickets where you want to go. So, this will be easy. It will save your time, your money. Okay. Now, next is in schools. We have studied that at home how computers are used. Now we will study that in school also how the computers are important and how it is used. The computers are used in school by teachers, students and non-teaching staff members. It means that teachers also use it for their personal stuff, for preparing the question papers, for preparing the question paper of exams, for tests, for creating the study materials, for giving you the PDF files, for showing you some videos, anything. The students uses it for their projects, for their online projects, for studying, for searching any materials, study materials, to prepare the data. So the teachers, the students and the non-teaching staff all uses the computers in schools. First, a teacher use computer to teach different subjects. For example, if the teacher want to teach different subjects, and he can use a computer for it. They use them for preparing lessons, report cards and timetables. Then test papers, circulars, account details and many other things are maintained with the help of computer. It means that the teachers uses it to prepare the test question papers, to prepare the examinations question papers, to maintain the student details, to search the things related to teaching, to prepare the lessons, to prepare the report cards and the student timetables. Now, how the students uses the computers? A student use the computers for preparing the projects, for learning different subjects and playing educational CD-ROMs. It means that beside the computers, it is also used for the students for preparing the projects, for learning the new subjects. For example, if you are facing any difficulty in some subjects, then you can see that videos of that subject using the YouTube or using any other apps. So it is helpful for the students also to learn new subjects very easily. Here in the computer book, you must be having the DVD or the CD behind it. So you can also watch that educational CDs using the computers. So students also use them for activities like playing games and giving online exams. Nowadays students uses computers for playing games, for giving any online examinations. For example, here you are studying at online. For example, here because of this lockdown, online teaching is going on. So uses your computer, your laptop, your mobile phone for teaching. Okay. So in the same way, computers are also used for learning new things, for teaching, for understanding anything, for playing games. So students uses it for many purposes. Online education is done preliminarily through the use of computers and the internet. It means that first, before the invention of computers or the internet, no online classes were there. But after the invention of this all things, online education is done and it is on the primary basis. It means that the students will enjoy learning sitting at home by using the computer and the internet. Now, how the computer is used for medical purposes? Computers are widely used in medical field. They have become an essential tool in managing different functions in a hospital, nursing home or a lab. Some of the uses of computers in medical field are listed below. Computers are used to maintain medical records and treatment details of patients. It means that it is used to maintain the medical details, medical records and treatments. Example, if how many patients are there in the particular hospital, what disease they are suffering from, this all details is easy to record or easy to maintain using the computers. Nowadays, many operations are performed with the help of computers. A lot of research work in the medical field is done with the help of computers. They are used to find the cure for various diseases. For example, a doctor or a nurse can research anything using a computer. For example, if they are facing difficulty in medicines, which medicines to be prescribed to which patients, if they want to search any new medicine is available for the particular disease or not, for that also internet and the computer is used. During medical tests and checkups, specific human body parts are examined. A test can be as simple as a regular blood test or it can be complex as CT scan or ultrasound. They all are done with the help of computers. For example, if you go to a doctor, you are having a headache or you are having stomach pain, then the doctor will take your X-ray. If you are suffering from an headache, then he will take your CT scan, then ultrasound, sonography, all these things the doctor will search. So that is possible with the computers. A doctor must be having an X-ray machine. He will put some instrument on your stomach or on your head and then he will search that what is there, your internal parts, your internal body parts will be displayed on that screen. That monitor screen, that X-ray, that CT scan, ultrasound, what is going on inside you will be presented on the screen. So that is possible only by using the computer. So it is also used in the medical fields. Now, films and television. Computers are commonly used in the field of entertainment, whether it is film, television or any other multimedia program. While making a feature films, cartoon films or any other animation film, Computers are of great help. Special effects are added in movies with the help of computers. Computers helps to create characters and scenes of flood, fire and storm. Sound, movement and expression given to the cartoon character are with the help of computers. You can say that the film like Jurassic Park, My Friend Ganesha, Spider-Man and Batman are made with the help of computers. You must be have seen these movies, Jurassic Park, My Friend Ganesha, Spider-Man. Yes students, you have watched that movies. So these all movies are created with the help of computer. It means that the animation, it means the cartoon are there. So that image is only there. Can the cartoon speak? Are there cartoon reals? No, they are not real. Only the imagination is there. The image are put and the lip sync or the sound is of different person. So that mixing or that sound and the video or that image is combined with the help of a computer. So that 3D animation movies, that films, this all are created with the help of computer. So it is also used in films and television. Now in banking, computers are used in bank to do the following tasks: to operate the ATM and provide internet banking facilities. Nowadays in bank also the computers are very useful. All the data of their account holders, all the details of the account are mentioned in the computer. And the ATM is also there to take your money. For example, if you want some money from your bank account, there is no need to visit the bank. You can go to the nearby ATM machines and you can take your or you can withdraw your money. So it is very easy, it will save your time. Keep records of the account holders, include details of money deposited or withdrawn from any account. For example, before the computers were there in bank, the people used to make the register. They used to keep many files for keeping the records, but now everything is stored in computer. For example, how many persons are having the accounts in bank, how many money is deposited in their bank account or how many money is withdrawn from their bank account. This all the details are stored in the computer. So in banking also computers are very useful. To do the online query of a customer account balance. For example, if a customer wants or if an account holder wants the details of his account, then for the online inquiry is also possible. Update the account balance and calculate the interest. Verify the checks of the computer. So in this all the ways a computer is used. So now we will study in other applications or in other fields also the computer is used, like in offices, in libraries, in science and technology, in designing, in shops and hotels. So this all applications or this all fields where the computers are used we will study in next session. Okay students, till then bye bye, have a great day ahead.